Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's simply find the section sound and vibration. As you can see here, we have to scroll down in order to find the section sounds, and here we can change the sounds for the ringtones, alarm and the notification. So let me of course tap on this first option, and as you can see we can divide the ringtone between two different SIM cards, which simply means that we can set different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for the second one, which is quite a cool option. I'll show you how to do it using the first one. It does not really matter. As you can see, after tapping on it, you will be transferred to the list of available ringtones from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to tap on it. So let me pick this one, and basically it works like that. You have to simply tap on it and decide if you like it or not. So if you like it, so let me set this one, make sure that it is marked and simply go back. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.